home, street, sweet home.
pronouncenames.com.
Samir.
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 Okay, Samir. Samir was glad he'd meet. I don't know so many different names. Samir. Samir.
pronouncenames.com.
Road.
Manila.
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 Manila. Okay, Manila. Okay, Samir was glad he'd met Bella at his new school. He always said yes. Then when Bella Manila. Manila. I think Manila. I get it wrong. Yeah, Manila.
Welcome to this pronunciation video. Today we will be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So let's dive into today's word. Mani, which means
Should in Korean.
let's say it all together. Mani,
Money.
mani,
Money.
mani.
Money. Okay. Money. Listen. You. Money. Money. Samir was glad to, he'd met Money at his new school. He always said yes when Flurry and invited him over. Berlin's house was full of designers. Okay. The fancy furniture. There's a designer. Yeah, there is a design something. Designer furniture. Yeah, that's designer furniture. Look, something like that. Design. Okay, do you remember this one? Attitude. Good.
Attitude.
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 Attitude. Okay. Attitude. His attitude toward life. Okay, how they view the life. I don't understand your attitude to money. Okay. The particular way a person think or feel about something. That's attitude. Good job. Why it's so slow typing? Designer.
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 Design. Designer. A person who plans how something new will look and be made. Okay.
He is a designer and eager
engineer,
for a car company.
okay.
Yes.
She is one
Of the leaders,
leading
designer and designers and the
fashion
fashion
world.
world.
Okay, a person who designs something.
designer,
Designer.
Okay, can speak.
Designer. Designer.
Define. Designer. Okay. Designer furniture. Okay, some fancy furniture. Okay.
Designer furniture and all the rooms look like they could be in a
Magazine.
magazine. Why don't you invite
Maneo.
Mane over here?
Papa.
Baba.
Papa. I don't know. Papa.
Yes.
Don't know.
Asked Samir. One day I will make honey homemade.
Falafel. I don't know what is that. Baba. Is that how they say Baba? Why it's so slow? What's that?
Designer.
Good.
designer,
Designer.
designer,
Designer.
designer, designer,
Now,
A person.
that designs
Let me check if this is a word.
don't listen.
Why is it so slow now? Suddenly. Okay. Fala. I don't know what's that. It's kind of food. Okay, this kind of food.
Baba,
Papa.
Baba,
Papa.
Baba,
Papa.
But here is a person's name.
But here's a person's name.
Okay. Fala. Oh.
falafel,
Falafel.
falafel,
Falafel.
falafel,
Falafel.
Okay.
Spicy
Spicy
mix
mixture.
of
Grounded.
vegetables such
Okay. Okay. Falafel. I don't know which country.
listen, Yuma.
Falafel. Egypt, Israel, Palestine, Nepal. Okay, in the Middle East. Okay,
In the Middle East.
okay, falafel. Falafel.
falafel,
Falafel.
falafel,
Falafel.
falafel,
Falafel. A spice
Mixture.
A spice mixed.
A spicy
A spicy mixture
mixture
of a spicy mixture of
Ground.
vegetables.
Okay, falafel.
Just
Falafel.
you.
Okay, that's falafel. Okay, so I will make homemade
Falafel. You said
maleo.
Maleo. like the last time you took
Falafel.
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 You took
Falafel to school. He did it. Samir said, but I don't want to rush things. I
not. Okay,
go rush. Do them.
a lot. Okay, a lot of worry. That's a lot. Okay. What's that?
Falafel.
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 Falafel. That's good. What?
Not.
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 Okay, spell.
K-N-O-T. Not. Can do now.
What's that?
Not.
Okay, a lot of worry.
Alright.
A lot of worry. Okay.
A lot of worry twisted his stomach as he thought about his crowded house. They never even have a living room because Papa not needed to use the space to carve his statues.
Good.
Papa raised his an eyebrow,
Good.
but said no more.
Okay.
I should say no. Then one day when
Samuel
Sammy and
Marley.
I were at the park, it started raining. It started to rain. Samir's house was right across the street, so of course he had to invite
Marley
and Baba welcomed them with a huge smile and
falafel.
falafel sandwiches. Later, as Samir walked
Marley.
home, Malu couldn't stop walking, talking about how fun Baba was. His statues are awesome.
Good.
Malu said.
Okay. Let's stop here. Okay.
Said